What's up guys, John here, thank you very much for tuning in. Amazon Merc has released a new statement. Essentially it's telling us that we're not getting throttled this year. I don't know how that affected you guys. I know loads of people actually did get throttled last year and they were actually complaining quite a lot about it. I was fortunate, well kinda fortunate, unfortunate enough to not actually be part of that process. But they've released a new statement and they will not be throttling this year. I'll just run through it quickly. To ensure customer orders are shipped on time during our busiest shopping season in November and December, we may extend product fulfillment times. Fulfillment times include the printing and packaging of orders and are independent of the time it takes to deliver the order once shipped. So essentially, instead of them throttling us, it's just going to take a bit longer for the customer to receive an item. So I'm not too sure how that's going to work, but getting closer to Christmas. But basically everything comes up as Amazon Prime and it'll be priority next day delivery, sometimes same day delivery, but obviously it's going to show probably a couple of days now. Anyway, please be assured that we do not plan to reduce the availability of our products, remove products from search results, lower daily publishing limits or pause their account tier upgrades. We will provide updates on the dashboard beforehand if this plan changes for any reason. So it's not 100% guaranteed. Essentially, depending how busy it gets, which I can imagine is going to be extremely busy, they may decide to change their mind. So it's not all round good news, but at least they're kind of trying to reassure everyone that they're not intending to do that. Whether that's how it actually pans out is a different story, of course. But I can remember last year actually that there was a point where you couldn't actually upload. You could upload your designs, but it wouldn't be live. I remember that happening last year at a point. I think this is kind of, we're starting looking back into it, maybe December, before December. But essentially they're trying to say now they're definitely not going to do that. So fingers crossed that would be the case. Anyway guys, that was more or less all I wanted to say. Amazon is not going to throttle us anymore, so let's hope we have a great Q4 then, and a very busy one at that. Cheers guys, see you later.